Good afternoon, East Coasters. We're gearing up for the weekend here at Moncton Chrysler Superstore, so we thought we'd show you some of our premium pickup trucks in celebration of the first official summer weekend. We know with this nice weather finally here, you'll be spending your time outside, so why not upgrade to a ride that can keep up? Meet the newest addition to your family, the bright white certified pre-owned 2016 Dodge Ram 1500 Outdoorsman Edition. This bright white pickup is the sidekick to your summer adventures, and you know the Outdoorsman is always ready to roll. This Ram punches the clock with barely over 58,000 kilometers logged, and it's got everything you need to get the job done in time for the barbecue. Halogen headlamps and cornering front fog lamps light up the path ahead even on the darkest nights. There's a chrome front bumper that has two black tow hooks to help you out when you're stuck, a black grille with white bars, and to top it all off, the Dodge Ram's head badge in chrome as a centerpiece. This Ram gets you to the camp with ease thanks to its legendary 5.7-liter Hemi V8 engine and four-wheel drive capabilities, and I suppose a little help from those blackout alloy rims and Goodyear tires. Your matte black side view mirrors are heated and equipped with turn signal indicators. They're part of the trailer tow package, so when you need a better view of what you're hauling, simply fold those mirrors up to expand your view. The mirrors are powered for adjustments, and the controls are located on the driver door next to your powered windows and locks. Your driver's seat is powered for adjustments, and yes, that includes two-way powered lumbar support. It's covered in two-tone accented light cloth upholstery. Your steering wheel is leather wrapped and loaded up with convenience features like steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control options, hands-free calling, voice recognition, steering wheel mounted gear controls, and toggle keys for your trip computer located on the premium instrument cluster. There's a top shelf entertainment system in the middle of your dash that features a free preview for Sirius XM satellite radio upon purchase. You can hook up your iPod or MP3 player thanks to your Uconnect wireless media hookups. There's custom settings to make your Outdoorsman one of a kind, as well as a variety of apps to help you from driveway to destination and back again. There's touchscreen climate controls with climate sync. Lastly, setting up hands-free calling is as easy as tapping the touchscreen and following some easy steps. Below your media options is your mode select options to switch it into four-wheel drive. There's also your climate controls including air conditioning and window defrosters. You've got trailer brake controls, traction and tow haul controls, as well as parking sensor controls. This 1500 is perfect for the working maritimer and their crew of trusty tradesmen. There's a split folding bench with room for three, as you can see, and there's adjustable headrests on those seats to keep your crew safe if you're hit from behind. The back end of the Outdoorsman features a locking tailgate to keep your valuables safe. To add to that protection, there's a bed liner to keep the cargo box from getting damaged. There's a chrome back bumper with back parking sensors, and there's chrome Dodge official badges to make that back end really shine. The locking tailgate has one more awesome feature, and it's a lifesaver. It's your park view backup camera. Here's how it works. Throw the Outdoorsman into reverse, an image appears on your multimedia center screen of what's behind your Ram in real time, with on-screen grid lines to show the proximity of an object to your back bumper, making backing out of a busy parking lot a breeze. If something is within range, the parking sensors let off an audible chime and visual reference so you can stop in time. If you're looking for a truck that performs as good as it looks, then look no further. The Car Guy's got you covered. Come check out this bright white certified pre-owned 2016 Dodge Ram 1500 Outdoorsman before it's too late. Get hold of your favorite car guy or car gal today for a test drive by calling 857-3939 or visiting us on the lot at Moncton Chrysler Superstore, where New Brunswick comes to save.